Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling what matters. Make sure your Sony TV supports Bluetooth audio, then open Settings and go to Remote and Accessories. Put your headset or speaker into pairing mode now, and keep it within a 3 to 10 meter range of the TV so signal strength stays stable. Once done, disable other nearby Bluetooth devices so they do not claim the connection. This avoids pairing conflicts and speeds discovery. You're initiating a focused pairing session. Move quickly to the TV menu next. Now use the TV's interface. Open Settings, select Remote and Accessories, then choose Add Device. You will see the audio device listed. Select it with the remote. If a PIN or confirmation appears, accept it. Most Sony TVs use a shown code or simple accept prompt. Wait patiently for the status to show connected. Do not exit the menu mid-process. This method ensures the TV becomes the Bluetooth master and routes audio correctly, so you avoid using external adapters or unstable workarounds. Finish by testing audio, play a clip or system sound and adjust the TV volume and device volume. Make sure mute is off. If you hear no audio, toggle Bluetooth off and on the TV, then reinitiate pairing. That often clears handshake failures. If problems persist, reboot the accessory or clear the TV's paired devices list and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: perform a power cycle on both units, unplug for 30 seconds, then pair again, because that resets temporary Bluetooth caches and solves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.